My name is Gandhi, Mohandas K. Gandhi.
Get people from different continents, get people from different worlds and make them see the different kinds of cinema which is being made here and try and find markets for them. I found it actually very fascinating.
Professionals can finally come together. It's a very rare opportunity for dialogue and exchange, and I think it was a very wise and very bright move to expand the Film Bazaar to all neighboring countries, to all the countries of South Asia.
It's a chance for young Indian filmmakers to talk to international critics and festival directors about their film.
I think the Indian Pavilion is a great introduction. It becomes a gateway to Indian cinema.
I'm very happy to see that the Indian Pavilion has become really a place for the Indian industry people to meet and to welcome the foreign delegates also, and a place to share thoughts and ideas about Indian cinema.
It's a great place for a filmmaker who's always looking for fundings and trying to do new things, and the films that are here in the festival, they inspire you, and the people who are here, they kind of back you up. It's a good thing. It's a good plus deal for all of us.
Film restoration and film preservation is very, very important for a number of reasons. First of all, cinema and films become a record of our society, how we are in this day and age. I think that this is an extremely important process that we need to do. For our culture as rich as India, it is very important to have, our culture preserved through cinema.
I think it's wonderful if NFDC can, do this sincerely and with all their effort. I think it will be fantastic. It will be the best thing that they will do to restore films and to preserve it for future. It would be the best thing that will happen to Indian cinema.
में एक आ रहे।
जल का संरक्षण कर हमने अपने गांव की सूखी भूमि को संवारा है। अब होगी उन्नत खेती, पशुओं को मिलेगा चारा, घर घर लौटेंगी खुशियां। ये प्रण हमारा है, क्योंकि कल हमारा है।
भोर हुई जीवन में शुरू नई उड़ान, मिली हमें पहचान, खुले नए अब द्वार, हमारा आधार 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 आधार, ये है मेरी पहचान।
अपने अपने नाम आएगा, कदम कदम पर काम आएगा, हर पल हर दम साथ रहेगा।
जब चाहो पहचान कहेगा, आधार आधार आधार।
आम आदमी का अधिकार आधार, सरकारी पहचान प्रमाण जो करेगा सुविधाओं को पाना आसान। आधार, अनोखी पहचान, राहें आसान।
माँ,
आम, मकान,
हल हल
नल, चल चल, लाइन और गोल से सारे अक्षर बनते हैं।
अब पढ़िए कहीं भी कभी भी साक्षर भारत अभियान। अधिक जानकारी के लिए अपने सरपंच से संपर्क कीजिए।
2 जमा 1
3 10 20 30
40 50 100।
6 दूनी 12, 15 घटाए 4 11।
1 से गया 1/4, बाकी बचे
3/4।
अब पढ़िए कहीं भी कभी भी साक्षर भारत अभियान। अधिक जानकारी के लिए अपने सरपंच से संपर्क कीजिए।